Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any Bluetooth gadget, I'm only starting from the simplest methods. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds. And tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so it's worth to try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it, you will find the manual to the device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices, and if it's still not for your phone, but it should be, go to the settings, tap on the system and updates and choose the reset. Tap on the rest of your settings and click this button and tap on this button again. After that, look for the Bluetooth gadget again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so to do it, open the software update and check. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone or on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it, thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.